Aloha and welcome to our third and final video of our bathroom renovation. In this video, I do my best impression of a plumber.
Oh shit, came off. I think this thing rotted off.
I'm going to install a new toilet. We'll add a few finishing touches and then the final review. First, I'm going to remove the old supply line.
There we go. There we go.
The plumbing on this was really old, so I tried to be as careful as possible not to break anything, but unfortunately...
Oh shit, came off. I think this thing rotted off.
Yeah, it just broke right off. This is us confirming that we messed up. Mistakes happen, it's all good. We're going to remove a section of the wall so that we can replace the pipe. In hindsight, I should have checked this before I even put the plaster on, so I didn't have to do a double job, but you live and you learn. As you can see, the pipe is completely corroded, totally rusted over. There are no threads on it at all. We're gonna go ahead and replace it. It did not budge, not even a millimeter. So I went ahead and got this. This is Kude 556. It's a lubricant, kind of like a WD-40 back in the States. Be very generous when you're spraying this on. After I let this set for about 30 minutes, I gave it another try. It took some effort, but I was able to get this loose and then remove it with my hands. Make sure your main water line is off before you do this, otherwise you're gonna make a swimming pool in your bathroom. Before installing the new pipe, we're gonna clean out the existing pipe with a wire brush and a towel. We're gonna wrap some Teflon tape on the threads of the new pipe. Wrap this around in the direction that the threads are going. I'm wrapping this clockwise. I wrap both ends with Teflon tape and now I'm going to screw on the elbow. I'm gonna drill a few pieces of support wood onto the wall. Sorry, I'm zoomed in here. I will zoom out so you can see the screws. I'm gonna cover this up with some shikui. I'm then gonna put another layer of akudomeru and then paint over it. I'm gonna go ahead and install our new supply line. Now I'm gonna secure the floor flange.
Is it noisy, baby? No, this is scary, huh?
The directions for the toilet installation are all in Japanese, so unless you know how to speak and read it and understand it, it's gonna be a little challenging. But I'm gonna try as best as possible to go through how I went about installing the toilet. You're going to need to measure 204 millimeters from the wall to this mark. Once you do that, you can go ahead and mark your pilot hose. You're then going to get the measurement of your pipe. This midline is going to indicate the length of your pipe here. But before you do that, these bolts need to also be in line with this midline. I didn't do that, so you're going to see me make a really big mistake, and I'm going to show you how to fix it. Here I am pointing out how wrong I am. And I'm showing you how wrong this cut is. I'm gonna fast forward through this because I am going to show you again how to install this. I just wanted to go through this and show you that I actually did install this improperly. As you can see here, I went ahead and got my jigsaw and just cut right through it. It ended up being too long. There is gonna be a little bit of the pipe left in there, so you're gonna have to remove it piece by piece. This right here is the ventilation for the waistline. The other side of this ventilation hole was covered by the gasket. Basically, it allows the wastewater to flow more efficiently. So I was worried about having a backed up toilet, but mistakes happen. So I went ahead and fixed it. After you do that, you're gonna have to sand everything down. Remove any of the old gasket and get ready for installation. I'm gluing the pipe and the elbow. Make sure you glue both sides, secure it tightly. Go ahead and re-measure everything once again. Again, you need to be 204 millimeters from the wall to that mark. I'm gonna apply a new gasket. The toilet came with one set and the floor flange we ordered from Amazon came with another one, so luckily we had an extra. This front piece here is going to prevent the bowl from turning side to side. When you're installing this, try to go as straight down as possible. And of course, make sure it's straight. I'm gonna go ahead and anchor down the bowl. We're gonna go ahead and put the tank together now. I'm not quite clear as to what the name of these parts are, so I'm gonna do my best to go through this installation and let you know what is what. You're gonna pull your supply line and the internal tank system through the bottom of this tank. You're gonna secure the internal tank system in place with these bolts. You're gonna insert the tank with the bolts going through the toilet bowl. Secure the tank to the bowl with these knobs. So this piece secures the pulley system in place. This bracket here, you're gonna see the kanji ue, which means up. So just make sure this part of the bracket is facing upwards towards you. You're gonna attach that to the lever. Then you're gonna clip the pulley to the lever. Fasten the bracket in place. And then secure the whole system with the U-lock. I'm guessing this piece of plastic is a splash guard for the sink. Sink installation is easy. Run your faucet through the sink and secure it in place, and then drop it down as straight as possible. For the washlet, install these plugs first into the bowl and then secure them to the bowl. Take your washlet and push onto the bracket until you hear a click. Now attach the hose from your tank and the hose from your washlet to the supply line. Turn your supply line on and give everything a test. Now I'm going to reinstall our window and our door. Fix the hair a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna install the toilet paper holder now. This is for the towel rack. I'm using the same varnish I use for the countertop. I'm gonna create some pocket holes to make it easier to install. I'm gonna create recessed holes for the screws that'll go into the wall. that's it. Total time to complete this project was 48 hours over the span of 2 months. I only went to the house 2 to 3 days a week and spent between 3 to 4 hours a day at the house. So it could have gotten done a lot sooner. So without further ado, the review. That about does it for our bathroom renovation. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun doing this project, and as for future projects coming up, we got an entire house to rebuild. So please come back and watch more of my videos and see more of the renovation. Appreciate you watching. Mahalo. Aloha.
Yes! Nice shit. I don't know what it is that it is to be. I just called me to act in such a crazy way. I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. The breakdown. I try hard to fight it. No